In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I create Alex Hormozi's top converting landing page that he is using for his company Gym Launch, which he recently sold for multiple millions of dollars. I will be showing you how you can also create a design like that with this AI tool in less than 5 to 10 seconds. Yes, this means you do not need to hire professional agencies or experts, probably like how Alex has employed. Now, I've been playing with this tool since the last few hours and I'm surprised at what kind of capabilities it possesses. So, without any further ado, let's learn how to use the same. So, what I want you to do is go to this website called as rollout.site, and what you can do is click on try now in order to register for an account. You can see that it gives you different kind of prompts like create website for bumble.com in modern style using their own personal branding colors and logos. It also says how to actually go about creating a website for slack.com in brutalism style. And if you can also give it other different kind of prompts as well. But hey, my goal over here is to actually model Alex's page. Now, in order to find this page, what I simply did is I went to Facebook ads library and I simply searched for gym launch. And thankfully, I was able to come across many ads that Alex's company or X company is running to get a lot of conversions and make millions of dollars, right? So I just clicked on this particular page, and as you can see, this is a pretty amazing design. As you can see, the above the fold of this particular landing page is pretty straightforward. It says gym owners want to add 10k recurring to your monthly recurring revenue. If you said yes and you have a physical location, apply below. Okay, and then there's this form. So it's calling out its audience. It has a great title, a great hook, and it's just asking for the lead information. And of course, there's screenshots of various kind of other things going on. So what I can do is now I can go to rollout.site and instruct it to model this page and create something amazing. So let's check out how exactly that would work out. In order to actually use this, you will have to register, right? So what I've done is I've gone ahead and actually registered for an account. Now, what I can do is I could just simply give it some sort of command, or the other option that I have is I could go to another website, right? I could go to another website and I could just copy the URL of that particular website and paste this over here. And this particular tool will hopefully help me make a similar website. So in this particular example, what I've done is I've taken the website or the landing page of the influencer Alex Hormozi. Of course, if you haven't been living under a rock or something like that, you might have heard about his name. So therefore, what we will be doing is we'll be hopefully replicating this landing page or creating an enhanced version of the same, right? So let's figure out what this amazing tool can actually do for us when we give it the prompt of helping us model Alex Hormozi's page. So as you can see, it was able to actually get a lot of the information straight up. Now, the wonderful thing that it is doing is you would notice while it is taking inspiration from this page, it is not exactly building it to the T exactly like how this one is, right? So it is still modeling it, but then, it's still not like, a copy paste version of it so that you could be sued for plagiarism. And as you can see, it's also writing the content for me while it is executing. And I have the option to view this on tablet that you can see. I have the option to view this page on mobile as well. And it's actually looking pretty sick considering, the job was done within a few seconds, which probably would have taken me, I don't know how much more time. I can't even fathom. So as you can see on the right side, this toolbox that you are able to see, it says that it is generating, and so far 44% progress has been made. I will update you as soon as it reaches 100%, but for now it has successfully made the hero nap, the challenge overview, the benefits, the testimonial, how it works. It's currently working on pricing, then FAQ, and then CTA and footer. I will update you as soon as this is done. So as you can see, we are now done with this particular page, right? This is what this particular tool was able to come up within a few seconds. Isn't that amazing, right? So as you can see, it has a great hook. It basically took the title from the page that we actually gave it, right? And then there's like subtitle copy and apply now, and then there's image, right? Now as you can see, I do have the option to customize it, because not every element of this particular page is appearing exactly how I want it to be. For example, over here I have the option to take any kind of image, right, or upload the image that I want. So what I can do is, probably if I go type Alex Hormozi gym launch, right, let's see if I am able to find like some sort of image. Let's say mm, well, Alex and Layla are the owners, so let's just, or maybe let's just use this one. This is more professional. So we'll just click on save image, right? And then what we can do is simply click on choose image and use this one. I think this will, oh, this uploaded. So we can just click on update, and boom, like immediately we were able to, edit this exactly how I wanted this to be, right? And then what we could do is, we can also change the elements of the page. For example, maybe I just wanted to say change the button color to, I don't know, what would stand out. Probably yellow is already looking good. Let's try dark orange and make it stand out. Let's just try if it works. All right. So it did not necessarily give me dark orange, right? Probably it did. I don't know. I'm colorblind probably. But it sort of like did work, okay? And then as you can see, there are like other images as well that I can upload from my computer just to like readjust. And then of course there is like this text that I can, enhance. For example, if I want this to appear like health coaching, just giving you an example, I could just click on update, right? And boom, this change is immediately done. Okay, what other clients are saying. So maybe I just want this to say my client name, so John Adams or whatever, right? I could just quickly change that and turn that into that name. And then there are benefits that are over here as well, which I can definitely edit. I could of course change the pricing, and if I do not want this particular section, right, what I can do is I could of course remove this completely if I do not want this. Now let's see if I just say remove this section, what happens. Boom, it just removed it. Isn't that awesome? Like, this is absolutely crazy. And I can also view this particular page on tablet and mobile, kind of like how I've seen it. Now what I can do is I could click on preview, right, and boom, this entire page will actually load, and I can now have like a professional landing page designed for me within a few seconds. This is absolutely crazy. Okay, now if I want this particular project, right, what I could do is I could just click on download HTML, right, and immediately this particular page is downloaded for me in HTML file that I can easily access. Okay, now I could just go to any kind of web host that I desire, simply upload this particular page, and within a few seconds I will have like a completely functioning landing page, which is pretty sick in my opinion, right? So if you want to create such landing pages and you want them done for you as fast as possible, then this is one of the best tools that you can probably think of, right? Now one thing that we can try just to see if this actually works or not is, can we add like an opt-in form? So make the button clickable and make a pop-up appear that asks for email address and full name in exchange. Let's see what happens if I'm able to actually give this command. Because honestly, if this tool is able to do this, oh my god, this would be like a game changer. But if not, then a great recommendation to the developers that do add this tool. It's a moment of truth. We will find this out if this can actually do this or not. Are you excited? Are you excited? All right. So far, I think it is updated. Let's see what happens if I preview it. Oh my god. This is crazy. I mean, I was able to actually instruct it to give me a pop-up as well, and like it's crazy, right? So make a pop-up, um pop-up appear when I click on this page asking for on this button, and once I submit the information, name and email, redirect to uability.in. I don't know. Like, this will be awesome. Let's see. And then, of course, you can definitely integrate with it to add the data to maybe your CRM or your SQL form or however way you want to actually do that. But let's try this out if we can also make a redirect happen. And if a redirect can actually happen, then this way, we can actually take people to whatever thank you page that we truly desire. Now, in my case, I'm not going to create a thank you page necessarily, but what I do want to see is if this actually gets the redirect done. Okay, maybe I could instruct it to make this smaller, but for now, let's just do this. Okay, we also need to tell this to make the color of this particular thing black, right? But boom, it is able to now redirect. Okay, so this is an amazing tool that definitely is something that I would recommend checking out, because this will allow you to actually create amazing, stunning landing pages. Now, this hopefully showed you how you can also create, top converting landing pages, just like how I did of Alex Hormozi. If you like videos like such, don't forget to actually share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and share it with a friend who's looking to actually design landing pages without spending a lot of money. And let me know your thoughts. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.